Hello, I'm here para interview si Miss Castillo for a few questions. So, hello, Miss Castillo.
Hello po.
And this is my question. Are you ready to answer my question?
Yes po.
How would you like to be remembered?
Ha?
How would you like to be remembered? Here's your question, Miss Castillo.
Yes po.
How would you like to be remembered?
Yung, masaya lang.
Okay, next question. Do you have any regrets?
Madami.
Like,
Sa, madami. Taon-taon yung regrets na yun. Na hanggang ngayon, ganun pa din. Pero, gumagawa naman ako ng paraan yan para yung regrets na yun, yung maging positive ako sa parang yun.
well, that's great. I don't want you to ask more because it's too personal. Okay, next question.
English.
If you were to die suddenly this evening, what would you regret not having done? Why have not you done?
Siguro yung profession ko. Hindi ko pa din siya nagagawa. Pero, kung mamamatay man ako, yun nga, yung profession ko. Kung bakit hindi ko siya nagawa, it's because siguro, hindi pa para sa akin yun, parang ganun. Pero, siguro, time will come, parang ganun.
Yeah, time will come. So, last
Nakakayak
question.
naman.
I hope to that
Ganyan pala yun.
you still have two questions. When was the last time you cried?
Last night.
Oh.
Is
Why?
it okay to ask why?
Yeah, of course.
So,
So, why?
why?
Masakit eh.
Nagkakaiyakan tayo. Nagkakaiyakan.
Masakit eh. Alam mo yun, te, masakit.
Giyate ka, Marka.
DLT Marka.
Okay, last question. What does your future hold?
What does your?
Future hold.
Elaborate mo. Pinsan na guys.
Ano daw yung ano? What does your
What does my future hold? Basta po.
What does your future?
My determination to pursue my career.
Wow. Thank you for your